A die and a whole baby.
Hi guys, today we're going to be making a floral wreath with this wreath form that I got at Goodwill. It's just a 18-inch wreath, and it was $3 at Goodwill. And I'm going to be putting on it these flower tulips that I also got at Goodwill. These were $1 a piece.
Cool day.
So I got my glue gun warming up. So I'm just going to take this off and we will snip off. But I'm thinking that I'm just going to take this out like that and stick that down in there, and I'm hoping that I have enough flowers. I'll probably do some greenery with it too, just to make sure that I have enough. So I think my glue gun is just about ready. I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue on there. And I'm going to make sure that these go all in one direction. And I have multiple colors, but I'm going to do let's see. I've got pink, purple.
Hi, Mommy.
I've got this dark pink and this darker purple. So what I think I'm going to do is kind of alternate here. So I hope everyone is having a fantastic Saturday. I only have one of these dark pink ones, so I'm going to make sure to use them a little more sparingly so that I have enough to kind of round out the wreath.
No returns.
I've always wanted a floral wreath like this, but would not pay the ridiculous price that they are. I'm just going to need to make sure that these are close enough together that, see, that one's a little bit further apart than what I'd like. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and stick in another pink, because pink is the one that I have the most of. Stick another pink in there. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more, and then I will come back once I have some more completed. So really quick, guys, I think what I've decided to do is kind of alternate with the pink, because that's the one I have the most of. So I'm going to do pink and then another color, and then pink and then another color, and that way I can just make sure that it's really evened out along the whole wreath. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And what I'm going to do now is just go in and fill it in with more flowers where I see it is kind of sparse. So I'm gonna try to like hold it up here and go ahead and fill in the sparse areas. Okay, so I have these singular little bulbs left, and I'm just going to go in and kind of fill in some sparse areas still. So there is our finished floral wreath. I'm going to hang it up and I will show you what it looks like. So here is the completed wreath, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video showing you how you can make a beautiful wreath with not a ton of money. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.